Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about basic simple English words which we are able to use in our daily life. So let's begin. Number one English word is attention. Number one English word is attention. Attention means what? Attention means it's an interest. Interest means interest. Meaning you are having interest in something. Your attention is on something. Something means it can be like animals or anything maybe. If you have anything interest, then that is called as attention. You are giving attention towards particular thing. That is called attention. This is a basic common word we will use in our daily life. And second one is art. Art. A-R-T. Art. Art meaning is what? Suppose if you wanted anything like object or activity, if you are doing, if you are making any activity of objects, drawings, music, painting, anything that can be. Suppose if you are making any crafts, new crafts, object making, all this is one art. Means you are making a new things like drawings, paintings, pictures. All this will come under art. Art means the activity of making objects. Art means activity of making objects. So first word is attention, means you are giving an attention on someone, that is you are having interest. Art means it can be any activity of making any objects, pictures, and all this will come under art. And third word is attack. Third word is attack. Spelling A-T-T-A-C-K. Attack. Attack means what? You are trying to hurt someone. Try to hurt. If suppose if you wanted to hurt anyone, like a physical, means you are hurting, you are fighting, you are hitting a person, means you wanted to hit, that is called attack. Means you are attacking some particular person. Attacking, if suppose someone is attacked, that's meaning someone is hurted you, that is called attack. And the fourth English common simple word is approval. Approval. Approval means it is a positive opinion of someone. Positive opinion of someone. Approval is what? You are having a positive opinion of someone, means you are approving something, means there is a positivity towards that person, means you are accepting. That is called approval. Spelling A-P-P-R-O-V-A-L. Approval. That is positive opinion of someone. And the next simple English word is business. Business. Business spelling B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S. Business. Business means what? That is an activity of buying and selling goods and services. This is a activity of buying and selling goods and services. If suppose if you wanted to goods, suppose if you wanted to buy anything, like if you wanted to sell anything, it's like you are buying or selling goods and services. Can be anything, that can be like car, vehicles, anything, any products, any manufactured items, or any houses. All this is the activity of buying and selling goods and services. This is the simple common word which, instead of using the this all activity of buying and selling goods and services, we are going to use a simple common word, that is business. Business, like this is my business means, this is my business means, like if suppose a cars selling business means, that is an activity that you are selling the car. And if it is a house building business means, you are having a business either buying or selling the goods and services. So these are the simple common words which we will use in the daily life. If you like my video and for more updates on the simple common English words, please watch my videos and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.